The Kabe Tower is a groundbreaking concept in modern mobile living, blending luxury, innovation, and functionality into a unique vertical motorhome design. Unlike traditional RVs, the tower utilizes a multi-level structure, offering spacious interiors that maximize comfort without increasing the vehicle's footprint. With premium Scandinavian craftsmanship, it integrates high-end materials, intelligent lighting, and energy-efficient systems for a sustainable yet luxurious travel experience. Equipped with smart home technology, automated climate control, and modular furniture, the Kabe Tower adapts to diverse lifestyles, whether for family vacations or extended road trips. Its bold architecture and futuristic design redefine what a motorhome can be, appealing to those who demand exclusivity and innovation on the road. The Tesla Cybertruck is an all-electric pickup truck that has redefined the boundaries of utility, durability, and futuristic design. Featuring an angular exoskeleton made from ultra-hard stainless steel, it offers unmatched protection against dents, scratches, and corrosion. Its armored glass and adaptive air suspension enhance resilience on and off the road, while the all-wheel drive electric powertrain delivers incredible torque, acceleration, and towing capacity. With a minimalist yet highly functional interior, it integrates Tesla's signature technology, including autopilot and a massive infotainment display. The Cybertruck is not just a truck, it's a statement of innovation, blending sustainability with uncompromising performance and futuristic aesthetics. The ICC Off-Road Flip 90 is a compact, modular camper solution designed for adventurers who seek versatility and rugged capability. Engineered with a flip-up roof system, it transforms into a fully functional living space within minutes, offering a kitchen, sleeping quarters, and storage without compromising mobility. Built for 4 vehicles, the Flip 90 ensures off-road durability with lightweight yet robust construction, weatherproof materials, and efficient energy systems. Its clever design makes it ideal for extended overland expeditions, maximizing space while maintaining agility. The Flip 90 represents a new era in off-road camping solutions, where functionality meets compact luxury. The Equine Quality Horsebox is a state-of-the-art transport solution tailored for the safety and comfort of horses. Built with precision engineering, it combines advanced suspension systems, climate control, and ergonomic stall design to ensure a smooth journey for equine passengers. The interiors are crafted with premium materials that prioritize hygiene, durability, and ease of maintenance. Beyond horse care, the Horsebox integrates living quarters for riders, complete with modern amenities such as sleeping areas, kitchens, and bathrooms. By balancing animal welfare with rider convenience, the Equine Quality Horsebox is the ultimate choice for equestrian professionals and enthusiasts. The electric brand's XBUS is a modular electric vehicle redefining urban mobility and sustainable transport. Its compact, lightweight design supports multiple configurations from cargo van to camper, allowing it to adapt to diverse needs. Powered by an efficient electric drivetrain, the XBUS delivers eco-friendly performance while offering exceptional range with solar charging options. Inside, its flexible modular system allows users to reconfigure the vehicle quickly, making it equally suited for business, leisure, and everyday use. With a futuristic design and sustainable ethos, the XBUS exemplifies innovation in electric mobility, providing a practical yet versatile solution for modern lifestyles. The Snoozebox is a portable, modular accommodation solution designed for events, festivals, and temporary housing. Built from repurposed shipping containers, it offers durable, eco-friendly, and quickly deployable living units. Each Snoozebox is fully equipped with climate control, comfortable sleeping areas, en-suite bathrooms, and modern amenities, providing hotel-like comfort in remote locations. With rapid setup and scalable design, Snoozebox can serve as temporary housing for large events, disaster relief, or workforce accommodations. Its emphasis on sustainability, convenience, and comfort has made it a revolutionary solution in the world of modular housing. The 27 North Ascender truck is a rugged expedition vehicle built for explorers who demand luxury and durability in the harshest environments. Based on heavy-duty truck platforms, it features an armored exterior, off-road suspension, and all-terrain tires for unmatched performance. Inside, the Ascender blends sophistication with practicality, offering fully equipped kitchens, sleeping areas, and advanced off-grid systems such as solar power and water purification. Still in preview, the Ascender represents the next generation of overland travel, merging rugged engineering with refined comfort. It's a rolling fortress designed for those who dream of adventure without compromise. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a luxury tiny home on wheels that redefines mobile living with elegance and space efficiency. Designed with a two-story layout, it offers expansive living areas, a full kitchen, a bathroom, and multiple sleeping quarters. Crafted with high-quality wood finishes and modern design elements, the Big Sky emphasizes both aesthetics and functionality. Its spacious interiors are complemented by advanced insulation, climate control, and off-grid capabilities, making it ideal for both permanent residents and mobile lifestyle enthusiasts. The Big Sky is a masterpiece in tiny home design, blending rustic charm with modern sophistication. The Cube Series Camper is an innovative compact RV designed for maximum functionality within a minimal footprint. Its box-shaped structure allows for efficient use of space, incorporating modular furniture, a kitchenette, and comfortable sleeping arrangements. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, it ensures fuel efficiency without compromising durability. The Cube Series emphasizes modern design, quick setup, and ease of towing, making it an attractive choice for urban explorers and weekend travelers. It represents the future of minimalist camping, where smart design meets comfort and practicality. The RC Motorhome's RC12M is a luxury motorhome designed for long-term travel with uncompromising comfort. Built on a robust chassis, it integrates premium interiors with smart layouts that include full kitchens, lounges, bedrooms, and spa-like bathrooms. High-end finishes, advanced insulation, and climate systems ensure year-round comfort. Equipped with cutting-edge technologies such as solar panels, lithium batteries, and smart control systems, the RC12M is fully capable of off-grid adventures. Combining elegance, durability, and performance, it's a home on wheels that offers travelers the freedom to explore without sacrificing luxury. The Wonderland XTR is an innovative expedition trailer designed for adventurers who demand both toughness and refinement. Still in preview, it promises a blend of lightweight construction, rugged off-road capabilities, and thoughtfully designed interiors. The XTR is expected to feature modular layouts, solar-powered systems, and durable materials capable of withstanding extreme conditions. With a focus on innovation and user experience, the Wonderland XTR aims to set a new standard in expedition trailers, delivering a perfect balance between adventure and comfort. The Truck Surf Hotel is a mobile hospitality concept that combines the freedom of travel with the comfort of a luxury hotel. Built on a large truck platform, it expands into a two-story living space featuring bedrooms, lounges, and common areas. Designed for surfing enthusiasts and adventure travelers, it follows the waves across coastal destinations, offering a unique and flexible accommodation experience. Still in preview, the Truck Surf Hotel merges travel, sport, and lifestyle into one dynamic concept, redefining mobile tourism for the modern adventurer. The JoJo Bean series by Movable Roots is a collection of tiny homes designed for families who want compact yet functional living. Featuring open-concept layouts, full kitchens, modern bathrooms, and multiple bedrooms, the JoJo Bean blends practicality with style. Built on wheels, it ensures mobility without compromising structural integrity. High-quality craftsmanship, energy-efficient systems, and customizable options allow each unit to be tailored to its owner's lifestyle. The JoJo Bean series showcases how small spaces can deliver big comfort, offering families an affordable yet luxurious housing alternative. The Pod X Go Grand Zone is a cutting-edge mobile living unit designed for flexibility and modern convenience. Compact in size but rich in features, it includes sleeping quarters, a kitchenette, and smart storage solutions. Built with lightweight materials and a sleek design, it can be easily transported and deployed in various settings, from urban escapes to outdoor adventures. Its modular construction and energy-efficient systems make it eco-friendly and versatile. The Grand Zone represents the future of compact mobile living, where simplicity meets innovation. The Lux Elite 42MD Vanity is a luxury fifth-wheel RV designed to bring residential elegance to the road. Still in preview, it promises spacious interiors featuring premium materials, a full kitchen, multiple living zones, and a unique vanity suite for added comfort. The 42MD emphasizes both functionality and sophistication, integrating smart technology, climate control, and abundant storage. With its blend of high-end design and practical features, the Lux Elite 42MD Vanity is poised to become one of the most desirable luxury RVs for travelers seeking ultimate refinement. The expandable trailer is an engineering marvel that transforms compact transport into spacious living or work areas. With hydraulic or mechanical expansion systems, it can double its internal space within minutes, offering kitchens, lounges, or workstations. Built with lightweight yet durable materials, it ensures road efficiency while delivering comfort once deployed. Commonly used in events, mobile healthcare, and luxury camping, the expandable trailer adapts to a wide range of applications. Its versatility, mobility, and quick deployment redefine how people use mobile spaces. The Anthenia is a futuristic floating habitat designed for eco-friendly luxury living on water. Inspired by marine environments, it features a dome-shaped structure, equipped with solar panels, advanced water filtration, and sustainable materials. Inside, the Anthenia offers panoramic views, luxurious interiors, and customizable living areas for relaxation or hospitality. Anchored offshore, it provides an immersive connection with nature while minimizing environmental impact. Whether used as a private retreat, eco-hotel, or research base, the Anthenia represents a bold vision of sustainable living that merges technology, comfort, and harmony with the ocean. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.